all. So the latest position that we have taken is once again in a defensive stock, that is none other than Sun Pharma, which is from the pharmaceutical sector. So earlier the defensive positions that we have taken were in Marico, and followed by that we had initiated ITC trades. So now let's quickly just brief what defensive sectors are. So as most of you must be knowing, defensive sectors are those particular segments which really have a more or less steady revenue even if the complete economy is going to undergo a crisis, or even if the stock markets undertakes some kind of a correction. Historically, if you check the defensive sector stocks, they really don't fluctuate much. It would be more or less like a steady movement. As far as the company Sun Pharma is concerned, if you have a look at the charts, so after a big breakout from the 700 to 750 levels in the late July, so we have been witnessing that the stock has been in a phase of consolidation in the 1-day time frame. So from the August towards the end of September, that is till now. However, right now we actually see that Sun Pharma has actually started gaining some momentum, and it had finally managed to pierce out of the 800 marks today. So we have initiated a fresh long, a positional long on Sun Pharma at the 808 levels, expecting an upside towards the 890-900 marks. Now, as far as the company Sun Pharma is concerned, their operating margins are around 29%, and I can't say that they had a great increase in their revenue over the last quarter. However, they had started seeing some sort of a recovery. So as far as the company is concerned, it is more or less debt free, and obviously they have a lot of products. I guess almost around some 101, 110 products that is actually waiting to get released in the US markets. So they have a very strong presence in the US pharmaceutical industry too, so which is also a major contributing factor for its revenue. So we have actually taken positions in Sun Pharma at 808, expecting an upside towards the 900 marks, and even we may kind of consider holding it further, considering this is a particular stock from the defensive sector. As far as the Nifty Pharma, the index, the pharmaceutical index is concerned too, so we have been seeing a similar pattern. So if Sun Pharma started consolidation in the month of August, so we have Nifty Pharma consolidating between the 13,800, 14,600 range from the month of June onwards. And finally, so we have some sort of a good rejection coming in from the 14,000 levels, and I'm expecting a good breakout in the pharmaceutical index too, so which would further accelerate the momentum on our Sun Pharma.